eye is still stinging. Could be an artistic model. Ugh, that smells like farts. Or what if lash glue ends up on my contact lenses? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ambreen and today I'm doing something very exciting, and I've actually been looking forward to doing this. I was supposed to film it last week, but because of work I was a bit too scared, and I do apply makeup every day for work, and for that reason I wasn't able to do this. But yes, during the first lockdown everybody permed their eyelashes, and I did pick up a kit during the first lockdown. I did actually try it, and I feel like I've learned from that trial, and I am one of those girls that has the straightest lashes in the whole wide world, and therefore I thought it was about time. And I'm actually getting sick of my mascara not doing the job it's supposed to do, and because of that I am now going to be perming my eyelashes today, and you do not understand how happy I am to be finally doing this. So this I picked up from AliExpress. I think I got it for about £8. It wasn't that expensive. This is what it looks like. The box was different to actually what I saw in the picture when I first bought it. It's by a brand called IBCCCNDC. You can get this from Amazon as well. If I can find out where to get it from Amazon, I will link it down below. And it says this is for eyelash lifting. This is an eyelash lift kit. Let you have charming eyes. It tells you what you're going to get inside, and it tells you the bunch of instructions to follow. And let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So this is what the kit looks like. So you get your lash glue, you get your #1. Okay, so this keeps falling out, but you get your perm solution, you get your fixation solution. Step 3 is your nutrition solution, and number 4 is your cleansing solution. You do also get your lift pads, and you do also get a clean tool in here. So yeah, last time I did this I just followed the instructions, so I will tell you guys the instructions as I go along. So if you guys are looking forward to seeing me have more perm lashes, actually let me show you guys what my lashes look like beforehand. They're basically, I have been losing a lot of lashes. Well, not recently, because I have been trying to put oil on my eyelashes. So that's what my eyelashes look like. I hope they are, you can see without me looking crazy in the mirror. So they're not that short, but they're also not that long. And whenever I do apply mascara, even if it's a really nice mascara, my lashes don't tend to stay in the curl unless I use waterproof, and I don't want to use waterproof mascara on my eyelashes because it's really hard to get rid of, and in the process I end up losing like 10 of the lashes. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video now. Okay, so it says on here the first step is to clean off the oil, dust and makeup residue on your eyelashes. Now I do feel like I've got some concealer on my eyelashes or eyes, so I'm just going to give them a wipe. By the way, sorry if I look really pale. I'm testing out a new foundation which should be up soon, or should have already been up the video. So now I have clean eyelashes. So I'm going to come in a bit more. Hopefully you guys will be able to see. Okay, so I've cleaned off my eyelashes as much as I can. Then it says apply the eye pads on the under eyelids to protect our skin from the perming solution. So I don't know what that is. I don't actually have anything for my under eyes, so I'm going to leave that step. So then you get a bunch of these weird rubber silicone type things. This is what they look like. So my eyes are not that big, so you get different sizes in here of the pad that you apply to the top of your eye. So you apply it there, and then that's what you're going to use to stick your eyelashes. The last time I did this, you get large in here. Because I have small eyes, I'm just going to go in with the small one. And the thing that I learned is that this will not hold itself there, so actually it's best to apply some glue onto this first and then stick it to your eye, and that'll help the eyelashes stick onto. So I'm going to take some of this false lash glue. What is it called? False lashes glue. So it comes with a brush like this, and I'm just going to apply it to, so how is this going to go? So the cloud part is going to go at the top, so I'm just going to apply it to that, and hopefully it should stick to my eyelid. Oh my god, I feel like I'm going blind. Why won't this stay? That looks so weird. Okay, that feels really uncomfortable on the eye. And I look crazy, so that's done the trick now. So, oh my god. What have I done? So, I don't know if I should do both eyes at the same time. Crazy. Okay, I'm just going to do both of them. Let's just do both of them just to get it over and done with. Okay, that's done. I look like a psycho. Okay, I'm going to quickly move on to the next step, which it says, step 3, put the lift pads on the eyelash and then apply the glue on the eyelash to keep it stick on the pads. So I did that. Use the glue setting the eyelash on the lift pads for about a minute. So now I'm just going to add a bunch of glue to the pad and stick my eyelashes to the pad. I'm just going to go in with my fingers now because I've had enough. What if lash glue ends up on my contact lenses because I'm actually wearing contact lenses? Because I can't remember if I did this with contact lenses last time. Oh my god, this middle one is doing my head in because it's not staying. Stay! Okay, I'm going to come back to the eye in a minute and I'm just going to move on to the next. So this is where I've got to. I look crazy. So I'm going to do the same to this eye and I'll be back. I look absolutely crazy and I feel like I've put a ton load of glue on my eyelashes. For some reason it is still not sticking in some places. It's actually annoying me right now. But I think I'm ready to go in with the next step, which is to get the perming solution and apply that to my eyes and then cover with plastic film. Oh, I don't have any plastic film. What do I cover it with then? Oh, I had this little tool. Let me use that for my eyelashes. Why did I not think of that? Because I was wondering what happens if my eyelashes get really clumpy. See, I did this ages ago. I don't understand. I can't remember how I did it. Okay, so that's actually worked really well. So now I'm just going to go in with the perming solution and apply some plastic to my eyes. They don't actually give you any plastic film, so I'm just going to get a plastic bag and use that. Okay, so I've just got a freezer bag, so I'm going to cut this and apply this on top. And then I'm just going to apply the perming solution to my eyes now, which is this white stuff. And can I tell you, perming solution absolutely stinks. It's disgusting. So I'm just going to use this brush and apply this smelly perming solution to my eyes. Lashes, sorry. Just apply it dinner as a mate. I'm assuming so. Ew. Actually, it's disgusting. It smells gross. Ugh. It smells like farts. Oh man, I hope I haven't ruined this brush. Okay, I think that's enough now. So, let me show you guys my eyeballs. So, this is the progress on my eyelashes. Now I'm just going to cover them up with a bit of my freezer bag. So I'm just going to... The glue has already actually come off, can you believe it? Okay, so this obviously isn't dangerous at all for my eyeballs, is it? There we go. I'm just going to leave that on my eyes. It says for 8 to 12 minutes. I'm going to leave it on for 12 and see what happens. And then I shall be back. See you then. I look like a crazy person. Bye. Hey guys, I've had this on for 10 minutes now and I'm not gonna lie, my eye is kind of stinging right now, which did not happen last time, so I'm a little bit concerned, but I'm just gonna carry on like a trooper onto the next step. So the next step says that I need to put the fixing solution, I need to put the fixation solution, which is this blue one, on top of my eyelids, well on top of the eyelashes. Use the number 2 fixing agent on the eyelash and then cover the plastic film about 8 to 12 minutes. So I need to take this plastic film off, put this on, and then... I feel like last time I had a brush. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to carry on. Hopefully everything will turn out okay in the end. With this blue solution all over my eyes. I hate the angle that I am actually at the moment. Just do it. Let's just do it like. Please do not burn my eyelashes. Okay, so my battery just died midway doing that, so I have applied the blue thing, the fixation thing. It's all over my hands now. I just applied the plastic and my eye is still stinging. I've lost my little piece of plastic bag, so I'm just gonna cut some more out. Okay, I can't see, I'm actually blinded right now by the plastic, so I'm gonna just chill, watch some Netflix for the next 10 minutes again, and then I shall be back, and hopefully this process will soon be over. I'm just glad the fixation stuff doesn't smell. Whoops. Could be an artistic model. You know what I'm saying? Okay, it's officially been 10 minutes. I have had enough of this. I would like to take it off. So, I'm going to pull these off. And then, oh, that actually feels a million times better. So then it says, clean the eyelash, lift pads with the nutrition, and then use a cleaning to clean off all the perm residue. So let's use the nutrition first, which is kind of like an oil. It looks like this. Okay, so I'm just going to dip my brush in here again. I'm just using the same brush. And then I'm just going to apply that, and hopefully that should loosen my lashes off this thing. Okay, I've lost one eyelash already. Lovely jubbly. Whew. Oh my lord. Okay, so that's one. Let's do the other side. The perming. Ew, my eyelashes look nasty. Look at how much glue is on my eyelashes right now. Okay. Oh, I need to take that off. How am I going to do this? Okay, so I'm just going to do the very last step, which is to use the cleanser. So I'm just going to use this white tube of solution, which is the cleanser, to take off the glue, hopefully, and that should give us our results, our final results. I'm a mess right now, inside out. I seriously feel like saying 20 hours later, because I've tried my best to take off the glue, and this eyelid is feeling a bit sore, so I don't know what I've done, but it actually feels quite sore over here. But yeah, that took ages to take, especially the glue off, so I've had to use oil as well, and it's not fully worked. So I have got the majority of it off, and my eyelashes, I'm going to be honest, look amazing compared to how they did before. They're very much lifted. They haven't separated as much, probably because of the glue. Once I really get rid of all the glue, but for right now, this is the result, and I obviously love it. The last time I did this, the perm lasted for about 6 weeks, which to me is amazing. To have to just spend like 2 hours every 6 weeks doing this, I seriously don't mind doing it. I just got to figure out how I did it the first time, because it wasn't as painful. My eyelid is really hurting right here. But yeah, these are the final results. Hope you can see that. They are very much curled, definitely. They definitely have some definition now. And yeah, it's just going to make it so much easier for when I want to apply mascara now, because I don't have to use my eyelash curler, which I do feel like rips my eyelashes out. I did end up ripping out one eyelash. There was one eyelash on that little rubber thing, but that's better than me losing an eyelash every day, every time I use an eye curler. So yeah, these are the final results. I'm actually quite happy with how it's all turned out. I just wish that I used a different glue. I think next time I will use a different glue. Look at that. Yeah, so it's a lot easier to come off, because that glue just would not come off. So that is the end of this crazy ride. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me testing this whole kit on my eyes, and I do actually think it's quite worth it, because you can use this a number of times. I've only used it twice, and there's still so much solution left in all these little things, little tubs. And I'm so glad I did that before my husband came back from work. And this literally took me about an hour and a half to do, which, you know what, I completely forgot how to do it, so that's fine. It's like relearning again. So I think I'm going to watch some more videos, and next time I do it, see how other people have done it. and then go into doing this and make sure I'm more prepared with all the tools, and definitely use this, which I didn't actually use this time because the box forgot to tell me and I completely forgot myself. As always, I will leave links down below of all of the products that I used today. Well, this kit that I used, I will have an Amazon link and the AliExpress link if you guys want to check it out. And if you have already permed your lashes yourself, please let me know how it went. So yeah, that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you actually liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you're getting up to, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.